Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am showing you the difference between paste and paste link in Excel, Microsoft Excel. Here is a table where name, subject and total are there, and I select this. First of all, I select this table here and then copy it, either Ctrl C or here copy, we copy it, and then whenever we want to paste it, either in another document, here it is book 1, we can open another document and then paste it, or in this sheet or in another sheet we can paste it. And see here, we can paste here, like right click and paste. Here we paste, and now I am showing you the difference. Here is paste, and whenever we want to change anything in this main document or a main table, then it will not affect on paste. Like I want to change it as 48, and then here 155 it change, but in this table nothing will change. Now I am showing you the paste special and paste link. Here is, I select this and then copy. After that I paste this as a link. For this we have to use paste link, paste special, or right click whenever like sheet 2. In sheet 2 I right click here and paste special. Either we can paste special from this tab, or right click and then paste special. Now here all and none, here paste all and operation none, then paste link. Click here. Here is the document I have pasted, and now go to sheet 1. Sheet 1 I change this as 58 to 75. Here 75, and the total also changed 148. But in paste there is no change. Not in subject 1 or in total, no change, but in sheet 2 we can see that it also changed. This is the difference between paste and paste link, and it is very important in Excel, and we can also use it in Microsoft Word. And whenever we want to send some link, then whenever we change in original document, it will change in that link also. This is the main feature of paste link, and this is the difference between paste and paste link. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel, like, comment my videos and share my videos. Thank you for watching.